Everyone. So welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So today we have come up with a foot care. Okay, so we are going to make three products today. So one is a foot balm. So foot balm, or you can call it as foot cream as well. Okay, so this I had made earlier. So I'll be sharing the recipe of it right now. So this is a foot. You can say foot cream, which is anhydrous foot cream. Okay, so first is a foot cream. The second one which I'll show you is the foot scrub, and the third one is foot soak. Okay, so let us start with the first recipe, which is a anhydrous foot cream. Anhydrous foot cream, which is made with 3 ingredients. I'm using coconut butter, then virgin coconut oil, and essential oil of your choice, but my favorite is when it comes to foot care is cedarwood essential oil. Okay, so let me measure the ingredient. So we need 15 grams of coconut butter. Okay, so 15 grams of coconut butter, and to that I will add virgin coconut oil, 7.5 grams. Okay, so 2 parts of butter and 1 part of oil. Tare your scale, make it to 0, and then add 7.5 grams of virgin coconut oil. So this is 15 grams of coconut butter and 7.5 grams of virgin coconut oil. This I will keep it in a double boiler. So for that I am taking a saucepan, and in which I am adding this to double boil. So once it is melted, we will add our another ingredients. Okay. Hi Reena, hi Lakshmi, hi Sonal, hi the health girl. Hello everyone who have joined now. We are making a foot cream, anhydrous foot cream first, and after that we will make other things. So by the time this is melting, we can go to the another recipe, which is foot soak, or you can call it as foot salt. Okay, so this is a small bowl in which I will add 2 spoonful of Himalayan pink salt, 2 tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt, to which we will add 2 spoons of Epsom salt. Okay, and 1 spoon of baking soda. Okay, 1 spoon of baking soda, and mix this all very well. Okay, once this is completely mixed, what you will do, add essential oil of your choice. So I am adding clove essential oil, just 5 to 6 drops. This will ease the muscle or tension if there is in your foot. Okay, just mix it all well. And you can fill it in a jar. Okay, so this is our second very easy remedy, foot soak or foot salt. Okay, so I had taken in this 2 spoon of pink salt, 2 spoon of Epsom salt, and 1 spoon of baking soda, and to which I added 5 to 6 drops of clove essential oil. So this is our second easy recipe. Okay, so do try it at home. Whenever you feel your legs are too tired or something, just soak this, or before you exfoliate. Okay, so just add this in a lukewarm water, soak your feet for around 10 minutes, and then with a exfoliator you can exfoliate the dead skin cells. Okay, so this was our second easy recipe. See, this is still not melted because cocoa butter will take little time to melt, so we'll wait for it and we'll finish the another scrub recipe. Okay, so for a foot scrub I'm using 2 spoons of pink salt. Okay, to which I am adding ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. Okay, and half a tablespoon of coffee powder. Okay, so first mix all the dry ingredients very well. Okay, mix it well so there are no any clumps to it. Okay, mix it well, and now to this I will add coconut oil. So first add a spoonful of it. So if needed, depending on the consistency you want, you can increase the quantity. So I am adding just a spoonful first. Okay, so you can mix it gently. See, it will need more. Okay, so I am adding 1 more spoon of coconut oil. Add just half a spoon extra. So you may need 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil. Okay, and give it a nice mix. See, it is completely mixed now. So you can just use this as your foot scrub. So our cocoa butter and coconut oil is melted. So what I'm going to do is take a cold water in a big bowl and keep this beaker in it. Okay, so people who have joined late, let me just repeat, this is a anhydrous food cream. Okay, this is made with 15 grams of cocoa butter and 7.5 grams of virgin coconut oil. Okay, so what I'm doing here, so once we have removed it from the double boiler, we are going to keep it in the water bath so the temperature can cool down before we add vitamin E to it, and give it a gentle stir. Okay, see, this I have made in the morning. This takes at least 3 to 4 hours to settle. Okay, first it was in a liquid form and now it is getting solidified. Okay, see here, still it is from inside, it is still soft, but since cocoa butter is a hard butter, it will in period of time like 4 to 5 hours it should solidify. So now to this I will add vitamin E, 0.5 grams. Okay, stir it well. You can add essential oil of your choice. I am adding to this peppermint essential oil, 3 to 4 drops. Okay, and give it a stir. So this is, temperature has come down. Now what I'll do is take a glass jar and fill this up in it. Okay, so say in a period of 3 to 4 hours it will get settled. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me, I'll answer it. And this video will be stored on YouTube, so if some people have missed the earlier section, can go to the YouTube channel and check this. It is just Skin Revive on YouTube. Okay, and yeah, so let me just show you how is the scrub. So I'm taking little amount on the hand, okay, and gently massaging it. Okay, so this pink salt will help to remove the dead skin cell. So scrub it. Once you scrub, post scrubbing you can apply foot balm. So whatever is left in this one, in the beaker, I'll just show you that. So it's gently massage and leave it. So this can be your night regime. You can apply this foot cream at a night time. Gently massage it and just leave it. So you will really have a nice soft feet and without any crack or dryness on it. Yeah, the smell of peppermint essential oil is so soothing. It's really nice. So yeah, tomorrow we have this workshop. Kokum best for feet, or can we take any other butter? See, kokum is best for dry and cracked feet. Okay, if you don't have kokum butter, you can use say shea or mango butter as well. But with shea and mango butter, you won't get this it won't solidify because they are more on a softer side. Okay, so you may need a beeswax to solidify. Since kokum is a hard butter, it got solidified in a period of time. See here. So tomorrow we are having a melt and pour workshop. So this soaps were made yesterday just to take a video, and we are going to make 4 types of soaps tomorrow. The workshop is in the evening at 5:45 to 7. So you can make, it can be a child activity also. You and your baby can make things together. So they are very easy, and I'll tell you the tips and tricks of getting a good soaps. So that is tomorrow evening at 5:45. So if somebody wants to register, can just send me a DM. I'll guide with the registration of it. And on tomorrow morning I'm having a organic shampoo workshop, and Tuesday, that is 1st of June, we have organic hair mask workshop. There are a couple of workshops coming up in June. Some are new. We are making candles too in candle workshops as well. So this is the lovely candle which we made a couple of days back, and see the finishing of it and the aroma. We are using essential oils, soy wax, beeswax in a candle. So they are really good for you. It can be your therapeutic usage as well. Yeah, thank you all for joining. If somebody has missed the video, the prior what is shown, you can go to our YouTube channel and check this live video. It will be stored there. Thank you all for joining, and see you soon. Thank you.